Hello everyone, today we're going to be solving question number 19 from the 2023 Mathcounts State Level Sprint Round. Question 19 reads, a dartboard is made up of 3 concentric circles as shown with radii 7 inches, 5 inches, and 1 inch. What is the probability that a randomly thrown dart that hits this dartboard will be closer to the circle of radius 5 inches than to either of the other 2 circles? Express your answer as a common fraction. The first thing to note, concentric circles. Concentric means they share a common center. Okay, so now the outer one has radius 7 inches, middle one has 5 inches, and innermost has 1 inch. And probability is closer to circle of radius 5 than to either of the 2 circles. So what we can do to see this is you draw in your center and pull a line from there to the outside. Oops. Okay. And now, this over here, the small segment is 1 inch. Ooh, that's 1 inch. This one over here, this total is 5. So technically in here, it's 4. Like in this small segment, it should be 4. And in this area 4, so just think about this as a big plate of circles, and you can cut the circle down as much as you want, or you can cut out any size of circle, and then you have 1, 5, and 7 drawn in. So what we're doing right now is we're measuring the radius for the circle we want to cut out. For this, for the dart to be closer to the 5-inch radius circle than the 1-inch radius circle, it needs to fall on, as you would expect, it falls like halfway down this line, the radius. So you'd want the radius of the circle to be at least 2 inches outside of the 1-inch radius. In other words, the radius for the circle as compared to the first 1-inch circle radius and the 5-inch circle radius should be between 3 inches. This is the lower bound that comes from the 1-inch circle. And well, with regards to the outer circle, you cut down the radius difference again in half. So 7 minus 5 divided by 2 is 1. So it's 5 inches. This already has 5 inches over here. I didn't note those. 5 plus 1 means up to 6 inch. So if the dart falls within, like hits a circle that has a radius of anywhere from between 3 inch and 6 inch with respect to the center of the 3 circles, then the dart will be closer to the radius, a circle of radius 5 inches than to either of the other circles. This is a little intuition heavy, but if you think about it, if you had a circle with radius 3 inches, it would fall right in the middle of 1 inch and 5 inch. So for it to be closer, the radius difference between that circle and the 5-inch circle should be less than or equal to the distance or the radius difference between that circle and the 1-inch or the 7-inch circle. Okay, so now we just need to calculate the area of the circle range and get it out of the total area. This is 6 squared pi minus 3 squared pi. It's basically a washer if you drew it in, over the total possible area that the dart can hit is the full dartboard, so that's 7 squared pi. This equals, we have 36 minus 9 over 49 equals 27 over 49. So the probability that the randomly thrown dart hits the dartboard, that hits this dartboard will be closer to the circle of radius 5 inches than to either of the other 2 circles is 27 out of 49.